Good day, everyone. We have something to repair here. We have this mini classic Samsung Bluetooth speaker. It's model E0-SG930. That's the model of this Bluetooth speaker from Samsung company. Here we have some control things here, and I believe this is the stand. This is a kind of classic speaker. The speaker came in for repair, so we have to fix this. This speaker looks nice. Huh? Look at this. Look how portable this speaker is. Control things. That is stand. Okay. So what we can check from this speaker. Yeah, it's using classic charger. 5 volts classic charger. If you check here on the USB power meter, is now it's on volts. It's taking 13. It's around 130, 140 milliamps. Pressing the power, it's doing nothing. It's just dead. So let's try to fix this. How we can open this? I can't see any screws except these ones. Oh, this one is coming out. So we can take out these screws. We have some screws here. I never fixed something like this, but let's try. This thing is coming out. Huh? Okay. Look the motherboard. Huh? Look how nice is this motherboard. Huh? What do you think about this motherboard? This is just classic. We have some coils, ceramic capacitors, speakers. So what can be wrong here? Here we have the connector for the battery. We have 3 wires red and 3 wires black. Let's check the battery voltage. Let's start from the battery connector. What voltage do we have on the battery? Plus, minus, and we have nothing. This battery like 0. We have nothing. Let's try to put some power on the battery. Let's try to put some power on the battery. 2 amps. Minus, plus, and this, no. No. This is not charging. This is a short. Yeah, this is a short. Let's disconnect the battery. We have a shorted 5 volts power line. Let's disconnect the battery and check the voltage. Let's check the battery voltage again. Because this looks like a short. Shorted 5 volts power line. Battery has got 4.23 volts. You can see on the test meter there. So diode mode, plus and minus, and it's shorted. All the pins, they are beeping to each other, like zero resistance short. Because the plus and minus should not be mixed. So something's wrong on the plus line. We have a short there. I think we can use the thermal camera. It's switching on. Something is not right on the plus. Something is not right there. This is ground, and this is plus. And what is taking that car? Okay. What is that? Wave coil. Something's not right here. And the question is, what is that taking that current? Okay. Let me raise the current a little bit. I can't feel anything. 3 point something. Okay. You see that? You see something getting burning here? Yeah, here something's getting hot. I will show you which chip is getting hot. Let's go on a microscope. Let's go on a microscope. That's the beauty of using. We have the battery here. This is the connector for the battery. 3 wires. You can see 3 wires. They are red on the plus and 3 wires black on the minus. And here we have this capacitor, which I don't think is in good shape. We have that capacitor, but it's not the one which is getting hot. This capacitor is shorted. It's reading a short. This one is reading a short because they are in serial mode. Here we have another capacitor. It's shorted. But the chip which is getting hot is this one. This is a classic board. This is some kind of audio amplifier class G. This must be class D or class G. So the chip which is getting What is this one? That's the chip. Let's see what chip is that. P8945. 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 1 second. Desktop. P8945. What kind of chip is this? Hmm? Uh, P8945. Huh? So here we have a high efficiency class G audio power amplifier which drives a 4.0 watts into 4 ohms speaker. Okay. This is an audio amplifier driver. Okay. It's good to know. So now, before I take out this chip which is getting hot, what I want to do, we have a dodge capacitor here. Let's take out this capacitor. It's good to take out this capacitor. Let's take out this capacitor first. The board is still sucking the heat. Come on. The capacitor is out. Now, I want to check for short again. We still have a short. Yeah, we still have a short. You can hear the beeping of the multimeter. So our problem is not the capacitor. It is that chip. Our problem is not the capacitor. Let's just replace the capacitor, but that will not solve the problem. Replacing the capacitor is not going to solve the problem. Huh? I am replacing the capacitor. The capacitor is now in place. Let's take down this chip, which is shorted. We have two. If you check here how this audio amplifier is working, we have this one, which is probably for the left speaker, and the other one, we have this audio power amplifier P8945 and this one. So I'm sure with one, it must work fine. So let's check out this. This is gone. And the problem, we don't have another one. This chip is interrupting the 5 volts power rail. This board, with what I can't even take down this chip. Huh? How is that possible? This is 500 degrees. The chip is out. Now, let's check down for short on this capacitor again. What? Huh? So what is shorting the here? Huh? What is shorting? What do you think about this diode? Huh? We still have a short. This board. Let's check out this diode. Because if you can't take out the if you can't let check out the short on the plus 5 volts, probably you can fix this. Okay. Maybe that was that diode. Let's check again. And you still have a short. Huh? We still have a short. Why? Why we still have a short? Can you fix this? Maybe you can't. But the problem is we still have a shorted 5 horsepower rail. And my question is why? Hmm? Why the 5 volts is still shorted, showing a short ground? Let's see what is still causing short on the 5 volts power line. Okay. We have a smoking chip here. Oh, this board. This board. Huh? This board. What I want to do, I want to put back this audio amplifier which was getting hot, because something else is not right here. Okay. Let's take out this one which was blown up. The chip is gone. This looks like the power management chip, which is gone. Huh? So the question is the 5 volts power line still shorted? Huh? And it is shorted. And it is shorted. Again. So what is still shorting here? What is still shorting? Huh? What is still shorting on the 5 volts power line? Let's clean here. It's very possible the short to be coming from this, because we took the power management chip out here, and I don't have this power management chip. So this board, this is a challenge. Let's check again for short on the 5 volts power line here, and the short is gone. You can see. What I want to do, I want to put back the audio power amplifier driver. I want to put back this driver here. The chip is now in place. I did this because I want to confirm if this chip was shorted completely. Yeah, the chip is gone. You can see. So E2-SG930. Let's check out this one. E2-SG930. Because we have 2 audio amplifier here. This speaker shall work with 1. Good. Just a little bit of cleaning. I don't have this P8945 Class G audio amplifier IC, but it will work with this one. It will still work fine. So checking for short, and there's no short, you can see. So let's test. Let's test this one. Yeah, the board is too hot. It's too hot. Let's just wait to cool down. So let's see now. Plug in the battery. I see some light here. Huh? I see some light here. Let's check the voltage. $4.24. We now have voltage on the motherboard. $2.93. This is the track which is going straight to the switch. Plug in the charger. It's charging and it's taking 45 milliamps. You can see it's indicating here. Maybe you can't see, but check the current. It's now taking 45 milliamps. It's charging fine. Now what I want to do, I want to try to power it on. On. It's on. Bluetooth. Okay, connect. Music. You hear the sound quality? Yeah, this speaker is working, but this one is not working. Why? Here we have one speaker which is working here. The customer will use one speaker. This one is working with the other P8945 sound IC which we took out, which was shorting the 5 volts to ground. So at least the customer will still have something working. Where can I get the chip? I can't get the chip. But at least I've done something to bring back this speaker to life. It's working fine. Huh? You hear the sound quality? The sound quality, working with one speaker. This is some kind of classic portable thing. Okay. So, yeah. All what we need to do, just to put this thing back together. There's nothing that we can do here. At least the customer should appreciate that we have done something. Half a loaf is better than nothing. Huh? I didn't expect to have something like this inside. Fine. So that was the video. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to beloved friends and relatives. And see you on the next one. Bye.